As we dey waka go the September 2024 governorship election, the former clerk of the House of Representatives (DCN) Dr. Patrick Urhoghide, former Senator Matthew Urhoghide, former Chairman of Owan West LGC Honourable Frank Laboya, former Owan East Chairman Honourable Andy Osigwe, and other former council chairmen plus plenty big political ogas join body with their plenty supporters and followers dump the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to join the All Progressive Congress (APC). Giwa and his supporters from the 11 wards of Owan West LGA, being members of the old PDP and new PDP, say them don't tire for the way the governor dey run things for PDP and don't see say it go good make them come out from the party once and for all, join the All Progressive Congress (APC). Ogbonge people wait tanda to welcome Giwa and other the campees into the party now. Former governor, now senator representing Edo North Senatorial District, Comrade Adams Ali Oshiomhole, APC State Chairman Jared Tenebe, Senator and governorship candidate of the APC, Monday Okpeholo, member House of Representatives and Deputy Governorship of the APC, Dennis Idausa, Majority Leader House of Representatives, Professor Julius Ihovere, APC Edo South Leaders, Pius Odubu, Minority Leader, Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Eric Okaka, the APC State Working Committee, among others. For the meeting, Senator representing Edo North Senatorial District, Comrade Adams Ali Oshiomhole, announced Senator Matthew Urhoghide as the Director General of Okpeholo and Idausa.
Even though most of you are just joining the party or the captain of the party, we need to put you on notice that after consultation across the board, we have arrived at the decision that there is no better person suitable to lead our campaign than the man who has defeated us twice. Not only in Edo South, but Edo State, across the 1 and 2 wards, the local government, this secretariat. So he is not really thinking of our campaign. You may wish to formally and openly accept your nomination to lead our campaign as Director General of Okpeholo and Dennis campaign, otherwise known as Monday.
According to Senator Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, he can describe PDP as Poverty Development Party and said them don't hit raw come September 21. He can talk say once INEC open the campaign come April 24, them go know who get the land. He can still talk say,
the man with whom we did many things together, 206 and 207. Some of the things we did together can be published, several others cannot be published. Suffice to say, he is truly my comrade in struggle. And in 206, 207, we struggle together. So, imagine how I feel that the man with whom we struggle 206, 207 in our quest to rescue Edo State from people deceiving people, to rescue Edo people from Peking deceiving Papa, and to rescue Edo people from Papa deceiving Peking. The party that underdeveloped our great state, which is why we also call it Poverty Development Party. This guy, my younger brother, I'm privileged to so describe you because you have put done 70 parties, so you are a young man. I'm also a young man who, compared to some other person. I will begin by apologizing publicly here and now. Hey, Chairman, I have personal apology to make to distinguished Senator Matthew Urhoghide. Making mistakes, you don't become shameful if you have arrogance, such that you are able to own up your mistake. In 2007, we fought together. There was no money. We didn't have all the logistics. We did the legwork across the 18 local government, across the whole of the world. We invested only what we have, our sweat and our mouth, to convince the young people that they didn't need to be made away. And at the end of the day, he contested for the senatorial seat of Edo South. Unfortunately, he was leader. I was also leader, but I pursued them. Fire for fire, I will reclaim the money. But his son, he wasn't so lucky. Because his son was so brutally done that there was even nothing we can lay hand on to make our case. But when God make your case, who are we to compare? Now, why am I apologizing? By the time I was sworn in as the governor of this state, we realized that we must keep the promises that we made. Because we did say, let the people lead. Let the people lead. One man, one vote. All these resolutions we used, and we became a threat in the heart of the people, such that anybody we put forward was going to win in 2011. Unfortunately, like every human, I think the devil played his part. And that was misadvice. I am not going to blame those who misadvised me, but I accept the responsibility that I took the decision to support now former Senator Oshiomhole. And when I did, I later realized it. The latest of our blessed memory told me, my son, you made a mistake. There are several others who spoke in the same way. And he came to me and said, comrade, this your decision to support someone else against me. I pray, but I believe that you will regret it sooner than later. That Urhoghide, you remember I had to do an advert where we found it impossible to market it. I did an advert and I said, the election was not about Zambia, it was about me. We need to have our own in Abuja. I will come very well those statements that with me because it was tough. I will go to places who will do the talking and asking to be quiet, it should be seen, so that they don't spoil our market. Because it was too late to make a change. And in the end, Zambia won. After he won, he traded the ticket. After being a senator, he returned back to PDP. Now, God decided using my tool to teach us a lesson. So, for 2 consecutive elections, spanning 8 years, Senator Matthew taught us a lesson. We keep losing Edo South, senatorial zone to him, which is why he had the Senate for 2 terms, 2015 to 2020, 2 consecutive terms, and of course became chairman of one of the most important committees in the Senate, Public Accounts. So, Senator Matthew, as I've always said, from the first time I met you after that, I think it was at the people's house, I said, I apologize from the bottom of my heart for my error of judgment. You have sufficiently punished us by making us lose the result 2 consecutive terms. Now that you are back, there can be no question that we will regain Edo South. I want to regain Edo South, you have won Edo State. Even now, what is unique about this distinguished senator is that when he, after 2 terms, he decided to put his boy, who was his legislative assistant. This is important. But they say the young shall grow. The other guy go to labor. He backed him from behind. And again he punishes us. The guy is now senator on the labor platform. So that senator is back to us. Whenever you see the elephant, the one on his back must follow. So I believe that is the man who will do house to house talk. So your judgment today for me means so much. One of the things that I say, when you make mistake in life, pray to God that you live long enough to correct it. So that God has kept us alive, well and strong, to welcome you back to the house, the foundation of which you lay. As Pastor will say, and as Bishop will say, hallelujah. I can see everything turning around. So I am truly happy. We have in your person a robust, resourceful, selfless, principled, rugged, dogged politician. And that is why we can't wait to have you to guide us through the very important electioneering process that we are about to begin once I let the ban on open campaign. But you can see those who have come along today. Many of them I know. I have worked one-on-one with them. They left. They also made the kind of mistake that I did, but they are back. Again, I'm happy to welcome them back. They are really what you might call the prodigal son. He is not prodigal. We are the one who erred and they see. It's not like those who left. And as I listen one after the other to those guys from the Urhoghide, from up there, the Urhoghide guy didn't quite capture his name, but he seemed to be quite eloquent. Emmanuel Bannister, and also we can look for trouble, he will defend us. I had over his, and Akibe, anyway, all those local government people that have come on board, APC is like a broom. The more the brooms, thick of brooms, the stronger it becomes. People like this can make it. If you take them, impossible. Become very difficult. So they have come to help us, to strengthen us, so that together we deliver a young, much younger government. He will probably maybe he's going to be the youngest governor ever in this state. But all I mean, we have a governor, minimum words, maximum wisdom. Minimum words, maximum wisdom. That is the action part, young gentleman that we have here. Right, I saw Caterpillar already speaking and saying, you have got access to the treasury, but you already motorizing and connecting communities in part of Edo Central. So well done. Action speaks louder than voice. And for all those who have come to join, the women, the men, and all your supporters, the hall is packed. In fact, when I went out, I'm like, there are a lot of people outside there. So I want to assure you, on behalf of our party, like the state chairman said, we have had this philosophy that it is not when you join that really matters. It is what you are bringing on board. And the state chairman is the best example of that fact, that he is today our state chairman. Because whenever you are coming in, you come in with the old experiences that you have accumulated over the years in whichever party that you were in. And I'm looking forward to working with you so that together we claim those things. But I want to appeal to you. In this state we are in opposition. I want us to have the kind of fighting spirit that we had in 2007.
Former Senator Matthew Urhoghide for Into Okonye and say,
I'm coming down to the APC today
after 13 years in training of Oshiomhole. The APC, as ACB, as AC, as ACN, I'm very proud to say that I'm a foundation member. But today, the Lord and our able party leaders have called me back to the fold. And because I have confidence in the leadership of this party, and because of the fact that all that you can say brings to ascribing responsibility, maturity for party leaders is only the APC that will find them. So I decided to come back with full of my
welcome. Thank you so much.
I want to say that my decision to come back is to come and help build this party. To come and help enthrone Monday, Ubangolo, and Dennis Igala as governor and deputy governor. I've come for a very serious business. I didn't come here for bread and butter. Those of you who know me, you know that I'm not giving to little passion. Most of the time you see that Oshiomhole, you can see the way he walks with his sweat. He doesn't stop. When he walks with his sweat, he doesn't stop. And of course, I remember 2006-2007, he conscripted us into an army. The HCN started as a movement, not as a party. We were all convinced that we wanted to change the leadership in the state. And by grace of God, we attained it. That same movement will start again. The part was not easy. Like our national, like our president will say, it don't serve as cats. I want to pray with indulgence of all of you, our leaders. Please, we need to put on our armor. We are going to do it within the principles of responsibility and conviction. We are not going to be vengeful. Our ambition is not that of vengeance. We are going to commit ourselves to God Almighty who gives power, so that we can have it and have it to serve our people. When we see growth and development in the state again, those who have served us in the last 8 years, I believe they did their best. But certainly APC will be the one that will benefit our people. So all of you who are the foot soldiers, please, I want to beg to them, one of you. We need the very highest level of cooperation to achieve our mission. I'm glad I'm seeing your Kaka, I'm seeing your life, all of you. We were part of our movement 13-14 years ago. I'm glad to see all of you again. By the grace of God, all men, all women, all youths must come together to execute our plan for our young people who want to assume the reign of governance in the state. I thank all again for making it possible for us to be here today. We are going to be giving different job descriptions. And by the grace of God, we are going to fulfill all that are here for us. So that everybody in the Edo State will be happy again. I know what it is. All the institutions that have been demonized, the political class that have been scattered, all the acrimonies and animosities that we see in this land, they will be cured. We are not going to respect our institutions again. The political class, political institutions, and all of that, APC is going to put a government and be responsible that will honor and venerate these institutions. We know what it has been. It has been very painful, and many of us regret that we are part of it.
some of those movements in the past that are thrown some of these satanic institutions in this place. I want to thank all of you. I'm glad to be here. All of you have come to join the party for my sake. I want to assure you that your efforts will not be in vain.
Former Clerk of the House of Representatives DCN Dr. Patrick Urhoghide, on behalf of the campaigns, come talk say even though say na the first time when they come to the party, he not be stranger to some people wey dey there, as he don't sabi some of them well before. On top wetin he don't pass through for PDP, he come talk say PDP don't they get plenty problems for the past few years till now, and say them don't they lack fairness, equity and justice. He still talk say he believe say in coming to APC go bring better things, as he go work well with the party leaders for the state and also with the local government to make sure say Okpegolo Monday and Dennis Idahosa win. He still talk say,
no, that I never experienced that for 3 years I was in PDP. I never had the opportunity to stand or sit among my leaders. They refused to recognize my strength in the party. But I'm happy that a true democratic party has recognized my worth and my strength. So I thank my leaders here who organized this very special occasion to receive us to the party. I have with me here a contingent of followers and supporters who have organized themselves to come here and become with me. I am telling you, there is a tsunami in our federal constituency. You will start seeing it very soon. All the parties are going to be empty. That is the truth. I'm telling you that forget about Toma, it is only captured. With my leader here and other leaders in the party, you will start hearing what will happen. So I tell you that I'm here, I'm happy here, that you know that I've gone, I've seen my friends, my leaders, whom I work with, ladies of my good friend, and my leader, Dr. Paul Sodubo was my good friend. I have my leader here, leader of the party, that I have so much admired, and I have so much followed his antecedents. Thank you very much for the opportunity to come and join you. Yeah. I'm telling you that we are going to work, we are going to work, and we will help to develop and advance this party. Thank you very much.
Edo APC Chairman Jared Tenebe controversial hello to everybody and say wetin in they see they clear say APC they ready for the battle where they front. He constantly talk say,
I want to thank everybody that is here today. And what is happening here today is a clear indication that APC is ready for the battle ahead. Today, we have received great men, great mobilizers into the APC. It is a clear indication from when the flag was presented to our candidate. The president asked our leader, "Are you ready?" He said yes. It's a clear indication today that we are ready to move. In political parties and elections that we have, the ones we've had, it's clear that the one we are going to now, the mistakes we made in the last ones have been corrected. I'm sure you can see it in the faces of each and every one of us here today. To those of us that are just joining us, APC is a party of opportunity. APC, as though you are coming today or you will be here. And it is evident in my story. The day I joined the APC and I went to my work to pick up my card was the day I became the deputy state chairman of the party in the state. It shows that APC is a party of opportunity. And today, I'm here as the chairman. One thing I promised our leader from inception, even before this time, I always told him that all irons will return to the blacksmith. Our leaders have. I am saying that in our quiet time before now, I used to tell you that all irons will return back to the blacksmith. That is because you are the blacksmith. That is because you are the one who molded them. And among those irons, there will be bad ones. When they get to the market, they become bad immediately. All irons returning to the blacksmith is that both the bad irons, both the good ones, they will come back to you and you remodel them. That is what makes you the blacksmith. I am very desperate for us to win. And I'm an oppression person. If my actions of being desperate for us to win this coming election, if there is anything, action that I've taken that has offended anybody, I am begging for forgiveness today. And I'm still saying it, that I will continue to beg for forgiveness until we win. That means I'm not ready to change until we get to Sadebe Avenue. Our leaders and those that came and are joining us, I wish you all the best in this party as we march on to Sadebe Avenue.
For their talk with Tory People, Senator Matthew Urhoghide, Billy Osawaru, member representing Oshiomhole Federal Constituency, and former member House of Representatives representing Ikpoba-Awka and Ego, Honorable Ehizuwa Agbonayima, contact say,
I feel very good. I've just returned to my party. I feel very good. I thank God they say I don't come back.
Wait.
This is my hope. I want to put everything together. I'm going to use men and women. All right? And we are going to flaunt the record that we have kept in the past so that the people can be rest assured. There are places you will go to, the Edo South Central District that are going to be the battlefield, where, of course, we are very proud to count the things that we have done for our people in these places. So I think those that nominated me, read it well. And with our candidates, what Mandokpewolo is doing, Edo Central, even in less than 1 year in office, it's a testimony that, look, that Edo Central is gone to the APC. Edo North certainly is gone. Edo South, with us here leading it, there's not going to be any fight. We're only going to show our credentials, and that will just be it.
We are very excited because right now we've been able to move some of the political giants from the opposition party, and especially in Edo South. With those people coming in, with the synergy we have right now, Edo South is good to go, and when Edo South is good to go, Edo State is good to go. Victory for APC.
Not about calling whether chance or no chance. The chances are enormous. We are going to do the needful because our people are more enlightened. They know what is happening. They know what has happened over the years. Our past antecedent, our report card will judge us. Now you ask them, what have they done for over 8 years? MOU, speculation. What we want to do, it's not time to come in. When the time comes, we will let them know that enough is enough of trying to relegate, rubbish our people, our Oba Bini, and the people of Edo State. Enough is enough. We must do whatever it takes to redeem our traditional institution. It's very important that during Obasanjo's government, to say that there are 7 traditional rulers is an aberration, unacceptable. And it's a sin to God and to mankind. This is constitutional, that you have no right to delegate, to spoil all that others have built over the years because of your greediness, your selfishness. Politics is about the people, politics is democracy for the people, and all the people. What you are doing, democracy for yourself, by yourself, and for yourself. Enough is enough. And those people deserve to get the best, and they will get the best.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.